Now to news here in Canada. The driver charged in the Humboldt crash that killed 16 people is in court this morning for his first appearance in what is likely to be a lengthy trial. 29-year-old transport truck driver Jaskirat Singh is charged with 16 counts of dangerous driving causing death and 13 counts of dangerous driving causing bodily injury. RCMP have not released any details of their investigation so far. The impact of that crash has, of course, been felt immensely by family members of the Broncos team, many of whom are hoping this trial will help them learn more about what happened on that tragic night back in April. Olivia Stefanovic has those details from Regina.
The cause of the fatal collision is still under investigation. The RCMP say more information will come out in court. The families of the 16 people who died and 13 who were injured will be watching closely, including Scott Thomas, whose son Evan died in the crash.
We still grieve for our son every day. We cry for our son every day. Sometimes I don't even know if it's AM or PM or what day it is or what month it is. So time is really irrelevant. I don't care if this takes 10 years to play out. It's literally still one step at a time.
Sidhu remains in custody. He was arrested at his Calgary home last week, but he spoke to CBC before. He said that he was receiving a lot of support from his family and that he was attending counseling. He didn't want to talk about what happened during the crash, and the conversation quickly ended after that. CBC also connected with one of his family members, his wife. She was upset at the time, and she referred us to a lawyer. He isn't commenting at this time. We know that this has all been very hard for the Sidhu family. According to his LinkedIn profile, Sidhu came to Canada from India a few years ago to study business administration in Calgary. He recently married, and according to the company owner, he started working for Adeshtiol Trucking 1 month before the fatal collision. If convicted, Sidhu could face between 10 to 14 years in prison. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Regina.